Hello plant lovers, I'm Nishat from Plantalogy. Today I'm going to discuss about why our rain lily is not blooming. I'm going to discuss about all those reasons and also will share the exact solutions. Before jumping into the video, if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, also hit the bell, because I make videos about plant care, plant propagation, garden problems and solutions. Overall, all the things that you need to know about plantation. Zephyranthus or rain lily is a common and easy to maintaining flowering plant for both summer and monsoon, and it is a best for beginner gardeners. Sometimes they look so green, healthy, but there is no flower buds, even though plants are mature enough. I also faced such type of problem. Even 1 week back, my plant was also flowerless, but now it start to producing flowers. From my experience, I observed that mainly 5 reasons can be responsible. Reason number 1. These plants' flower production highly depend on rainwater, and that's why they're known as rain lily. They need a continuous shower of rainwater for a few days to produce flowers. About 1 week back, there was no flowers in my plants, but the last 4 days we get a lot of rain throughout the day. And yesterday I observed plants start to push flower buds. If your area still do not start to get continuous rains, then wait for that. Now here is a strategy that you can apply to improve flower production. If you have very little rain, then collect rainwater when it is raining and spray that on the leaves of your plants daily. It helps to encourage flower production. Reason number 2. Flowering also depends on plant's maturity. If your plant has grown from seeds or from small immature bulbs, then it will take 1 year to establish, and after 1 year, they will be able to produce flowers. So always start with healthy thick bulbs. Reason number 3. Growing them in bigger pots. Rain lily produce flowers when their roots get bounded. In large pots, they expend energy to multiply their bulbs instead of expending energy on flower production. But in small pots, they get less area for multiply their bulbs. So it is best to grow them in medium-sized shallow pots where they will get root bound quickly and will transfer energy for flower formation. Reason number 4. For flower production, they need moist soil with 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Now, if you grow them in shady spot, they are not going to produce flowers, so provide them at least 4 to 5 hours of direct sunlight of a day. On the other hand, they like moist soil but not soggy soil. Here, my soil is moist, so you also need to maintain this moisture in soil. Water thoroughly when 1 to 2 inches topsoil start to dry, but do not overwater. Otherwise, bulbs will start rotting. Reason number 5 and last one is lacking of specific nutrients. Using nitrogen-based fertilizer reduces flower production. Although this plant does not need much fertilizer, but using phosphorus and potassium-based fertilizer like banana peel, bone meal, muriate of potash pressurize the plant to produce flowers. So in the flowering season, try to use potassium and phosphorus-based fertilizer. But overall, I will say only rainwater can make it bloom. So as mentioned earlier, if there is not enough rain in your area, collect rainwater and spray it on your plants every day. So guys, that's all. Hope this video will be helpful. If you have better suggestions and solutions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one.